Hello, everybody. This is Roy. I'm the founder of Olivine Investments. That's AALAVON.com. If you want to check out our website, I'll leave a link in the description below. I wanted to take a moment to make a quick video about the ascending triangle pattern, and I'll just go over it in a second. All right, generally, this forms when you have an uptrend, the stock coming up, and it comes and it creates a point of resistance. Then it comes down and then creates a point of support. Then it goes up and hits a second time, almost like a double top, and then it starts forming higher lows like this. And then however, it keeps on and it forms like a triple top. It just almost like a almost like a flat top breakout, but a lot more but it keeps making higher lows each time as it comes along, and these can be really big. Anyway, but basically you're waiting for it to break over, this point of resistance right here, and eventually it comes through, and once it you could draw like a trend line there, or and once it gets through there, it'll it shoots up. Sometimes it might come back down and test this, but that's generally your entry point. Once it breaks through. I guess some people might say to try and get in like maybe down here at this point or this point right here. But I don't think so. But some people that have been trading longer, they like to do that. Once you get really good on the level too, you can probably you might be able to try something like that. But to start with, I would get in up here. And it might bounce off that resistance a couple times, but you're trying to get it to go up about the same as far as you're taking profit, about the same like if you measured like from this point of resistance to this support level here, that's about where you want to take your profit at. Yep, and of course, if it if it comes up and then it breaks down back below this well at that point it'll be a support line, so that so if it breaks that support, then that's your stop loss. You want to go ahead and get out. Yep. And of course. And it might, and if it breaks down like below here, there's a good chance that the stock will drop. But that's that's how sometimes they say it rolls over, so it would be a failed breakout. But yeah, that's the ascending triangle. Once again, this is Roy from Olivine Investments. You're welcome to come over to our website. We have a bunch of free videos if you want to learn about day trading. All right, thank you. Just one more thing I wanted to point out is volume. What you want to look for when the stock is going up, the volume should be a little bit heavier than when it's going down. So you want heavy volume right here. Then when it starts to come down, it'll be a little less volume, and then it'll slowly fade off. Like there'll be more volume when it's coming up here than when it's coming up this time, and then there should be a whole bunch of volume down here at the end. And these, this isn't an exact science, but I just wanted to get you the gist of what you're looking for. Each one of these are a little bit different. All right, thank you everybody.